Looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect your car and record every moment on the road? Whether you need 4K video, night vision, or full 360-degree coverage, this video will help you choose the right one. Today we're counting down the top 5 best Vantrue dash cams in 2026 based on performance, features, and value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. The VIOFO A229 Pro is a high-end dual-channel dash cam with 4K front and 2K rear recording. It uses advanced Sony STARVIS 2 sensors for superior image quality. This dash cam delivers excellent clarity in both daylight and low-light conditions. HDR improves visibility in challenging lighting, and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows faster video transfers. Voice control adds convenience while driving. Pros: 4K front and 2K rear resolution, excellent night vision with STARVIS 2, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, built-in GPS and voice control. A top-tier choice for users who want premium video quality and reliable performance. Number 2. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dash cam. The N5S features a 4-channel system that records front, rear, interior, and cabin views for full coverage. This is ideal for users who want maximum security. It captures everything around the vehicle and includes buffered parking mode for continuous monitoring. The support for up to 1 TB storage is a major advantage. Pros: full 360-degree recording with 4 cameras, excellent for rideshare and security use, advanced parking mode, large storage capacity up to 1 TB. Best option for users who need complete coverage and maximum protection. Number 3. Vantrue N4S 3-channel dash cam. The N4S offers triple-channel recording with front, rear, and interior cameras. It includes plate pix technology for better license plate clarity. This model provides a solid balance between performance and price. It delivers reliable footage and is suitable for both personal use and rideshare drivers. Pros: 3-channel recording system, improved license plate capture, good night vision performance, reliable parking mode. A strong mid-range option with dependable features for everyday use. Number 4. Vantrue N2X Dual Dash Cam. The N2X is a dual dash cam designed for front and interior recording with HDR and infrared night vision. It performs well in low light conditions and records at 60 frames per second for smoother footage. The compact design makes it easy to install and use. Pros: smooth 2.7K recording at 60 FPS, strong infrared night vision, easy installation, compact and user-friendly. A good choice for drivers who need interior monitoring without a complicated setup. Number 5. Vantrue S1 Pro Max AI Dash Cam. The S1 Pro Max is an advanced dash cam with 4K front and 2.5K rear recording. It includes AI features like ADAS and blind spot detection. This model stands out with smart driving assistance features. It enhances safety by providing alerts and captures high-quality video in all conditions. Pros: AI-based driver assistance features, 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, strong night vision, modern features like voice control and fast Wi-Fi. A great option for users who want advanced technology and enhanced safety features. Here's a quick summary. Best overall is the VIOFO A229 Pro. Best for full coverage is the Vantrue N5S. Best value is the Vantrue N4S. Best for rideshare is the Vantrue N2X. Most advanced features is the Vantrue S1 Pro Max. Check the links in the description to learn more about each product.